Okay, the goal of this video is to select and install a processor, and we have a couple of questions to answer. Which CPU sockets are supported by the motherboard and are the least expensive? Okay, wow. Which number on the motherboard diagram indicates where the fan can be connected? All right, so we want to know, for the questions, we want to know which CPU sockets are the least expensive that could be added. And we want to know, and we want to determine which one is the fastest and install that. Fastest. And which heatsink and fan will work with the installed CPU. Right. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at the motherboard and click on the motherboard and look at the details. It says 1366. 2 is the CPU. Does it say LGA 1366 CPU socket? Okay. All right. So LGA 1366 looks like our winner for us for this one. So let's see what we have. That is not, that's an LGA 1366, 3.33 gigahertz, 8 megabytes cache, 130 watts. AMD. That's interesting. Oh, this one is an LGA also. Okay. 2.8 gigahertz, 4 meg cache. Okay. All right. So this one looks like it's the fastest based on the cache. So I'll apply that. All right. Which will work for the motherboard? All right, let's answer the 2 questions. 1 and 2. LGA, I'll say these 2. And number 2, what number? The motherboard diagram indicates where the CPU fan can be installed. I think that was 3. Right, because if we click on the motherboard, then nope. Oh wait, that is 3. It's 3 CPU addresses and power fan connectors. Okay, so 3 sounds fine. All right, determine which is the suitable CPU and it's the fastest, install it, and then answer question number 3. Let's see question number 3. Which is most likely to have the fastest one? I would say the one with the higher clock speed. And 4, which heatsink and fan will work with the installed CPU? I'd say the 1366. Okay, so do we need to install that? And connect the heatsink and the fan. Okay, so let's take the heatsink and the fan and put them there. And let's minimize that. And then we'll go in a bit and find that spot 3 for the connector, which looks like it's right there. And we'll drag this 4-pin connector there. Okay, so the heatsink and the fan is connected, CPU is installed, we've answered the questions. So let's score the lab and see how things went. All right, very good. Thank you for watching.